ang daming magagalit na naman nito.
Hmm.
Pero ang dynasty kasi, walang constitutional definition. Sinabi lang, bawal ang political dynasty. Pero sabi, Congress shall enact a law. Oh, meron na ba? Meron na bang nagde-define kung anong dynasty? Anak ka lang ba? Halimbawa, si Kiko Barsaga, who is obviously very competent, right? Anak ni PD Barsaga yan. Dynasty? Diba? I think the mom is mayor or vice mayor. Mayor yata?
The mom is the mayor.
Mayor,
I think
right?
the vice mayor is also the, I don't know kung daughter or ano.
Correct. Rep Abalos. Anak yan nila, ay lineage yan nila Benjamin at Ben-Hur. Is that a dynasty? Sandro Marcos, dynasty, di ba? So parang ibig sabihin, maging anak ka lang ng isang nakapasok dyan, dynasty na ba? So, ang point ko is, of course, we should aim at yung equal opportunity or equal access to government positions. Ayusin muna natin electoral system. Kasi kung, dalawa kasi yung nakikita kong uri ng dynasty. Yung isang dynasty, yung masama, na naa-affect niya pating electoral process. Dahil kapag nagagamit mo na, hindi ka na matatanggal dyan. Diba? Pero kung dynasty ka, dahil ang galing nyo lang, sunod-sunod, nananalo kayo, binoboto kayo ng tao na nakakatanggap kayo ng karampatang boto, nung masama doon. Akin lang to. Again, may maraming magagalit na naman.